During the Reagan era, the CIA played a pivotal role in supporting anti-communist regimes and guerrilla groups worldwide. But covert operations, including the infamous Iran-Contra affair, sparked scandals that rocked the United States government. How did it happen? Under President Ronald Reagan, the United States significantly ramped up its efforts to counter Soviet influence around the world through the Reagan Doctrine. This doctrine aimed to support anti-communist movements and insurgencies across the globe, providing them with the necessary resources to resist Soviet-backed regimes. The CIA became the primary tool for implementing this aggressive strategy, playing a crucial role in various covert operations. From funding the Mujahideen in Afghanistan, who were fighting against Soviet forces, to aiding the Contras in Nicaragua, who were battling the Sandinista government, the CIA provided extensive weapons, training, and financial support to these groups. Their goal was to destabilize and ultimately overthrow communist-backed regimes and insurgencies, thereby curbing Soviet influence. One of the most controversial CIA-backed operations in American history was the Iran-Contra affair. In the 1980s, Congress passed the Boland Amendment, which was designed to restrict U.S. aid to the Contras, a rebel group fighting the Sandinista government in Nicaragua. However, the Reagan administration secretly devised a workaround to continue supporting the Contras. The CIA facilitated the covert sale of weapons to Iran, a country under embargo, in exchange for the release of American hostages held in Lebanon. The profits from these arms sales were then funneled to the Contras, effectively bypassing the restrictions imposed by Congress. When the scheme was exposed in 1986, it erupted into a political firestorm, leading to high-profile investigations, public outrage, and significantly tarnishing the Reagan administration's legacy. The Iran-Contra scandal highlighted the dangers of unchecked covert operations, revealing the potential for abuse of power. While Reagan defended the campaign as necessary to combat the spread of communism and protect national interests, critics argued it undermined democratic accountability, violated international laws, and eroded public trust in government. The CIA's actions during the Reagan era left lasting impacts on U.S. foreign policy, shaping future covert operations and intelligence strategies, sparking ongoing debates over the delicate balance between national security and government oversight, which continue to this day. The CIA's role in the Reagan era reveals the complexities and consequences of covert warfare. What do you think? Can secret operations ever truly serve democracy? Share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to Emgotv1 for more insights into history's hidden chapters.